Wow, this is the Cenote Samula. Wow, look at that, guys. Punta kami ni Claire doon. Sa ito. Ayun na sila, Claire. Hi, Claire. Finally. Kaya yung berkas, oh. Samula, yes.
Ang ganda ng experience naman. Sobrang
Napaganda pa kasi.
Going down. Oh yeah, it's like an elephant.
Okay, amigos, look. Video. Yes, yes, sir. Ayan, guys, nandito na tayo sa Chichican. Ayan, so nakita nyo naman yung daanan, guys, no? Kasi yung mga cenote nasa mga looban talaga yan, guys, eh. Ayan, kaya ano, talagang dadayuhin nyo siya.
About to leave, already packing.
Hey,
Come
what's
with
up?
me.
Hola.
I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions. So we'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So this is how they make the empanada.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Guys, so naligo na kami ni Claire sa ulan. Ito ang bakasyon talaga, guys.
Parang tsunami yung dating sa amin eh.
Look at that, guys. And guys, change of plan. Dito tayo ngayon sa Cenote X Quequén. Yan, isa sa pinakamagandang cenote to dito. Kasi ano siya, nasa ilalim ng cave, tas may isa lang siyang maliit na butas pero kulay blue. Parang blue lagoon yung itsura niya. So, sabi nila Instagrammable daw to, pero let's see kung ano itsura nito sa loob. Saka ano pa siya, twin cenote to. Ayan, guys.
Meron pang isang
Luxury nature villas. Ano yun? Wow. So, yan, pasok lang tayo dun, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo talaga yung mga pasukan ng mga cenotes, no? Talagang liblib, no?
sa loob sa
Pero at least ginagawa nila ng daan, and at the same time, nagiging part ng tourist kasi nagiging accessible siya. Park ng X Quequén dito. And pwede ba tayo dito? Oo. Sa unahan pa yan, no? X Quequén. Salida. Ayan. Hanapin lang muna namin yung parking, guys. Jaime. Yeah, this is Jaime.
For me to show you, for the explain for you for the cenote.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Enjoy
And
the
then
day.
this is good because there's two cenote
Yes, sir.
in one.
Cenote cave is on the ground.
Yeah.
We have the formation, the stalactite. We
Yeah.
have the formation now, the
Oh,
stalagmite.
that's the
Water is
Quequén,
clean water,
right?
is blue water. Ishkeken and Samula.
Oh, in Samula. Yeah.
Which cenote you recommend you visit now?
Yeah.
Samula, and after you visit the next Ishkeken.
It's Quequén.
Yes,
Okay,
it's
yeah.
very nice to the stream. He's very relaxed. This
Okay.
water is very clear blue
Very
water.
clear.
Yeah.
Oh wow, thank you, Jaime. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna visit the cenotes while waiting for Andrea here. Yan, guys, so umuulan pa rin, no? Pero sa loob naman to ng cave, eh.
After for the Ishkeken.
So maganda is dalawang cenote, no? X Quequén saka Samula. So X Quequén, sabi niya mas maganda daw pang pinali yon. Magpunta muna tayo sa Samula. So Hal, parang napaganda pa, no? Parang napaganda pa. Kasi dalawang cenote yung mapupuntahan natin. 'Di ba? Right? Let's see. Tingnan natin yung loob, guys. So ito na yung Samula na Samula cenote. So yan, dito need mo mag-shower, guys. Ayan. mandatory ang shower dito para maging sa ecosystem sa mga nakatira dun sa cenote, and much clearer. Ayan, shower lang kami. Guys, pababa na kami ng cenote. Ayan, tingnan natin yung loob. Ito yung cenote sa mula. So, nasa baba lang talaga siya. Underground. Wow, this is the cenote Samula. Wow, look at that, guys.
For the stand here for the swimming. Don't cross, don't pass the tree rope, and over there, he's dangerous. Swimming all is no problem.
Okay.
And deep over there is 50 meters deep.
Okay.
And there is the 3 meters deep. The water
Right over
is
there?
only 21 degrees. Is very
Cold.
fresh.
Fresh water. Wow,
We
nice.
have the catfish. If the fish is not buy, he's only pedicure. In
Okay.
Cancun, Playa del Carmen, you pay $40.
Okay, sabi nagpe-pedicure lang daw yung
Swallows, okay?
Okay.
We have the two status
May
Maya.
mga catfish daw dito.
Look at the hole. We have the two status Maya. This Maya and people, the Maya
Oh.
gods, is for the ceremony. Maya for the illusion is the ceremony.
Okay. Oh. There's like Mayan gods doon.
And here, amigos, look, we have the fossil. Is the fossil, the shells. Is for the formation of the cenotes in Yucatan. Is for the
Oh,
meteorite.
right here. Yeah.
We have 10,000 cenotes. All cenotes, the cone is a river.
River. Okay.
I'm thinking
Alright.
you have your phone, amigo?
Wow, guys. Look at this cenote, guys. Woo! Wow. Wow. Mga isda, guys. Pero ewan ko ma-justify ng GoPro. Pero ito, guys, ang cenote. Tingnan nyo kung gaano ka-clear yan, ha. Sa ilalim. Tingnan nyo. Tapos ayan yung butas, ha. Oh, wow. Oh, one more. One more. Over here. Right? Hold ka dito muna. Huwag mo sakyan. Parang hindi lumibog. Ayan na sila, Klein. Hi, Klein. Finally. Ayan. Sir, picture. Ayan na. Claire, tingin doon. Tingin doon. Ayun o. Doon. How are you, Claire? How do you feel? Huh? Scared of the catfish? No, it's okay. Kapit ka na dun sa rope. Di naman nangangagat yan eh. Si Claim gusto bumalik talaga doon, guys. So punta natin yung gitna natin. Ayan, over there. Ha? So hindi tayo makapag-montage guys kasi pag-alis na lang nila. Pero guys, tingnan nyo ilalim ng tubig oh. Ganyan kanina yan guys. Kita nyo? Kita nyo? Linaw guys. Sobra. Ang sarap. Bay, wala naman eh. Hindi friendly. Just relax. Natakot siya sa isda. Look at daddy. Love you. Ayan guys oh. Auto exposure. Ayan. So, Mami. Ayan si Klein. Ayaw na lumangoy. Ayan, punta tayo dun sa gitna ha. 1, 2, 3, go. Punta kami dun guys. Punta kami ni Claire doon. Ayan. Sa ito. Ayan o. Ayan guys o. Dun tayo pupunta. Tara, punta natin yan. Wow, look at that. Look at that guys. Ang laki. Ayan. Pa-picture tayo dito. Ayan. May nagkukuha sa amin eh. Hi, me. Sir, can I have a picture? Ayun na, Claire. Come here, no mommy. Come back here. Stay here. Listen him. Medyo takot siya. Ayun, mami, oh. Ayun si mami. Ayun si mami, oh. Ano ba tong magkapatid na to? Kala ko mahilig sa pool. Morgan, hindi. Takot siya sa fish.
When you move your feet,
Just move your feet all the time. Ayan guys, oh. Ay, gusto na naman bumalik.
come here.
Stay here. Oh, alis tayo dyan. Hal, tingnan mo yung ilalim, ang liwanag. Mag-ano ka nga? 1, 2, 3, tingin ka. Hi, hi. Ito, ewan ko kung may makikita kayong isda guys. Wait lang ha. Tingnan natin kung may isda. Ayan. Wait, 1. Duday ba ko? 1. Pupunta ako doon. 1, 2, 3, go. Hindi ako makano. May love jacket pala ako. Ayan guys. Siguro update namin kayo mamaya sa ano, check-in naman no. So, see you later. Mag-enjoy muna kami. So guys, mag-float tayo. At kung nag-float tayo, ito makikita natin. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Let's go to the next one. Al. Next. Si Alisan eh. Ha? Yeah.
Ayan, since umalis na sila, tolo na.
Yeah. Saan si Jaime? Ayan guys, pupunta naman kami sa isa pang cenote. Ayan. Ay mga bata, nagmamadali. Kakaiba daw. Sabi niya, mas ano sa swimming pool eh. Hello! Can we have pictures here?
Okay. Look. Okay.
All right, welcome to Samula.
Samula, yes.
Let's go.
Ayan guys, papunta na kami sa
Relaxing, no?
X-Keken.
Yeah, say hi.
X-Keken Cenote. Hello!
Ganda ng ano guys.
Ang ganda ng experience na yun. Sobrang...
Parang napaganda pa kasi sa Chichikan, isang cenote lang yun.
Oo.
And then ito, dalawa.
Oo.
So, nagpunta kami sa Samula kanina. Ngayon papunta kami sa X-Keken. Ito daw yung maintenance eh.
Yeah, this is much, bigger and like, parang mas malalim yata to. Dahil nasa cave siya, di ba? So, mas ilalim ng cave. And guys, pababa na kami. X-Keken guys. Very slippery, so watch for your step. And then, we're gonna go shower. Shower.
Slippery, okay?
Slippery. There's a lot of
Careful, watch your head.
yeah, dito tayo guys sa ating shower area. And then we're gonna get our life vest again. Bagong life vest naman niya. Haba yung lakaran paakyat. This one. And Parque X-Keken. Pala kailangan guys kasi hindi pala magsha-shower kuha na lang kami ng ano ulit. Ay, may Cenote, Exquequén. Going down. Going over there sa dun ang baba ng Exquequén. So, dito kagandahan guys, kahit medyo mataas na. So, guys, kung medyo nahirapan kayo umakyat, bumaba ng hagdanan, medyo challenging pag pupunta sa mga cenote na ganito. Kaya be careful. I'm going here. Baba na siya guys. Let's go. Naka night mode to dad. Isa sa mga cenote. Medyo madilim na guys. Ito yung actually Exquequén. Ayan na. Ang dilim na. Kasi 5 PM na. So, we can't see that much. Kasi it's so dark na. Liit lang nung butas niya sa taas. And it's dark. Ayan na guys. So, ayan na. Yeah, look at that. Ooh.
Look, here's the stalactite formation. Is the elephant? Is the mammoth? Look.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Is the elephant? Is the mammoth?
Oh yeah, it's like an elephant. Look, that's nice.
Look, we have the bats. Amigo, sir. Look at the bats.
There's a lot of, may mga bats dun guys. Ayan o.
Bat
See,
mom.
that's bats over there. And then, it's the cenote.
Okay, amigos, look. Video. Yes, sir.
Yan guys, nasa sasakyan na kami.
Mga basang sisiw na kami,
Pagod
guys.
na ang lahat guys. Ayan.
Great adventure, guys.
Oo, sobrang masayang experience sa
Experience.
cenote, no?
Yeah.
So, syempre nag-tour guide kami and medyo, pricey yung singil ni Kuya.
Pero
Pero
guys,
akin,
ang ganda ng...
para sa akin, it's a
So,
blessing na rin
yeah.
na natulungan niya kami kasi umuulan din guys and medyo sa looban pa yung yung cenote.
cenote.
Tapos tinutulungan niya naman kaming magbuhat ng mga gamit.
Lahat, oo.
Tapos inaasikaso niya kami. Sinasabi niya, nagbibigay din siya ng mga details about dun sa cenote, no? And 2 cenote na yung tinur namin. So, it's a good experience.
Solid.
Sulit naman na yung binayad namin sa kanya. So, yun.
Yan.
All in all, it's a good, it's a beautiful
day.
experience, diba? It's a very good day. Pagod na yung lahat, right, Claire? Si Claine, ayan, nagugutom na. So, uwi na kami. Punta na kami ulit sa hotel zone sa Cancun. It's about 2 hours drive.
Yeah.
Yata.
Hopefully, mababa na lang.
Oo. Pero dadaan muna kami ng kakainan or bibili kami ng pagkain before kami umuwi sa hotel. So yun guys.
Siguro dito naman namin
Thank you so
tatapusin
much.
yung second day ng aming Cancun trip.
Oo.
Abangan nyo yung mga side quest na vlog natin.
Oo.
Ayan yung mga pasimpleng raw vlog.
Oo.
Pero for now,
Thank you guys
thank you.
for watching.
Abangan nyo bukas yung wedding. Ipo-vlog natin yan.
Oo.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Ingat kayo parati and God
God
bless.
bless.